Hey guys, welcome back. Johnny here at Clever Perceptions, where I show you how to think differently about your money. I have another exciting video for you today on 4 stocks I'm buying for the holidays. So let's get into it. But first, for everybody new to my channel, talk about everything on money, such as saving, spending, and investing your hard-earned money more wisely. I also want to share strategies with everyone on how they could start using their money to work for them. If you like what I'm doing, smash the like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the little bell button so you'll get all the notifications to your phone. And if you know any friends or family that would find this video helpful, please share it with them. Alright, so let's get into the video today. So the first stock that I'll be buying for the holidays is GPRO, or as we all know, GoPro. I do already have shares in GoPro, and let me tell you why. I have 20 shares right now at an average cost of $8.77. Total return right now is a negative $14, but it has been pulling back the last couple days and rallying up to make some gains and return some of that loss that I have. It is trading right now at $8.06. So it's a great share or stock for any new investor to get into because it is for a smaller price. The volatility on it's very high, as well as always recent news articles on GoPro. Average volume is about 4 million, and on Friday when it closed, it had an average. The average for that day was 3 million traded. So it has a lot of good trades, a lot of good volume. The PE ratio is in A right now, as well as the dividend yield. But their market cap is $1.10 billion. So they have a lot of money to work with. Their 52-week low was $7.14. And their 52-week high was $11.89. So we're already very close to the 52-week low, and I believe we're hitting a bottom. Now for the holidays, people are going to be buying presents and gifts for loved ones, friends, and family. So I believe GoPro is going to be probably on that list for at least every 1 out of 5 households, I think, was going to be asking for a GoPro, I would imagine. And other than that, the Q4 earnings was very good. They were expecting about a 4 cent, and it looks like they're up there at about 10 or 15 cents earnings per share. So great earnings per share. I have already bought some back in November 8th, November 10th, as well as adding to my position on December 4th and December 15th. As it goes up, I might add a few more positions, but I could easily see this stock going back up to a previous high, even 3 months ago, of $11.69. So that is the first stock I'll be picking for the holidays. Next, my second stock that I'll be buying for the holidays is eBay. EBAY. And everyone should know why I'm buying eBay. It's one of the besides Amazon, it has one of the largest e-commerce sites where you could bid and buy automatically on, goods. So basically just like an Amazon, very fair price at $38 and 29% gains over the last year. Volatility is low. There's always great news articles on it. The average volume trades is much higher than GPRO or GoPro at 9 million, with a average volume on Friday of 5 million. So that's really great. It's got a great PE ratio of 5.69. So that's great. For every $5 you invest in the company, you get $1 profit. So that's really good PE ratio. Market cap is $40 billion. They have tons and tons of money. This company is in any short supply of money right now. Their 52-week low was $29, and their 52-week high is $39. Now you're probably wondering, you know, if it's at its high, only $1 away. A report came out last week that they had jumped their year's projection from $35 to $45. So I could easily see this stock going up to $45 by this coming year. Also, just to kind of back eBay up a little more, their Q3 earnings was right around 48 cents, and it looks like that is what they were estimating it to be at anyways. So they are still very profitable. The earnings per share is decent, and I had bought in on the 4th for 35, sold on the 11th for, you know, a small gain, and will be buying again on Monday and holding throughout the holidays. All right. My third share that I want to talk to you about is Microsoft. Now you guys are wondering, why Microsoft? Well, guys, it's the holidays. Microsoft, Xbox, computers, tons and tons of Microsoft products is going to be for sale, and it's already had massive profits from Black Friday. It's at a good, decent share price of $86, and it might not necessarily be for all new investors, but it's definitely something that I think every investor should have in their portfolio, whether you're new or whether you're old at investing. With 41% returns in 1 year, that's incredible. That's incredible gains. I believe it's going to keep going up as well. A lot of great news always coming out about Microsoft. Ticker symbol MSFT, if I failed to mention it earlier. Their average volume's at 23 million, and on Friday they hit 25 million for their average volume. Their market cap is amazing, $670 billion. So they have tons and tons of money. I mean, tons of money. Their PE ratio is at a 29, which is a lot higher than eBay, but you're also getting a higher share price with Microsoft as well, and a dividend, of course, of 2.263, which is a nice little chunk to get paid out every quarter. So very nice. Its low is at $61 for the year, and its high was at $87 for the year. It is already at its high, but again, guys, it's been breaking its highs every single year. So it's definitely a stock to hold long term. And their earnings per share for the quarter four earnings was about 88 cents. So it was about 18 cents higher than what they expected to get. That's great. We always love to see profits. And I did buy in and sell, got a couple of dividend payouts, and we'll be buying again on Monday. Okay, last one, guys, last one. Now, NVDA. This is my fourth stock that I'm buying for the holidays. I did already buy it because I did see a point to buy on Friday down here in like the 186 mark. My average cost was 188, so I did buy in there. I'm already up $4.53 or 2%, and this is in 1 day, guys. I am up. For the year, they are at 93% profit for the year. So they have doubled their money in 1 year. They're up $93, and I believe that I caught this on a really good dip, so I would try to buy this on Monday before it gets back up to its old high of $216, guys. That's what it's saying down here. 218 was the high for the year. I do believe it's going to get to that point and pass it probably by January or February. But this stock I am going to be holding on to long term. At 18 million average volume, it did about half of that on Friday at 9 million shares. Market cap's at $116 billion. They have tons of money to spend, tons of money to back them up. Their PE ratio is out of 47. It is a little bit high, but again, the share price is almost at 200, so that kind of makes a little bit of sense, as well as their dividend yield of 0.43%, which is nice. Get paid every quarter from that. Their Q4 earnings, man, they blew it out of the park. They thought they were going to get about 90 cents per share earnings. They're at $1.33 a share for earnings. That is just massive, massive earnings report, guys. A lot of profits on these shares. This was one of my main stocks, my #1 pick, and I hope you guys watched until the end of this video. to really see that this can be a great company to buy into. And I'm about to double my money, guys, now for the year. That's the 4 stocks that I'm going to be buying or have already bought for the holiday season now for 2018. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please smash the like button, share with your friends, and subscribe, guys. That's the biggest thing. I love my subscribers. All right, so please go ahead and do that. And you guys have a great day.